In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a talking avatar like me, whether you are a content creator, influencer, business enthusiast, or just an average Joe looking to spice your online presence without showing your face. A talking avatar is the final piece of the puzzle to unlock a whole new level of engagement and audience retention.
Currently, there are so many YouTube channels and content creators alike making thousands of dollars monthly just by using talking avatars to spice up their content. Now before we get started, if you're new to this channel, I'm David and you're welcome to ASR. In this video, we're going to be using a 5-step process to get this method to work. And without wasting much time, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is go over to Bing Image Generator. Allow it to load up, and after loading up, it will take you to an area where you see Copilot/Designer. Now what you want to do at this point is to simply copy the prompt you're seeing on screen into the prompt area and click on the Create button. Feel free to modify this prompt to suit or to better fit your channel theme, your channel brand, or the kind of specification you desire. And after just a few seconds, your images will be generated. And I must say guys, these images are beautiful. Now what you want to do at this point is to click on the particular image you want and click on the download button. Now head over to Google again and type in leonardo.ai. Click on the first link on your screen. Click on Get Started. Okay, it's loading up currently. Now go over to Image Generation. And again, I'm going to give you guys an easy prompt that you're going to use to make this system work for you. And like I said earlier, you can play around with this prompt and modify it to further suit your brand. Now what this prompt does is that it helps you give the AI specifics on exactly the kind of background you desire. Click on Generate. And again guys, you see how easy it is to generate these backgrounds, and these backgrounds are completely mesmerizing. Now what you want to do right now is to go over to each of the backgrounds and download each of them. Open your CapCut app on your laptop. Now import the background you have downloaded and also import your image. Drag your background first onto your timeline and then drag your image on top of the background. Now click on the image and head over to the cutout section. Here you click on the auto cutout. After doing this, adjust the image to fit perfectly. Now head over to the effect section, click on lens and select the blur option. Now drag and apply this blur effect in between the image and the background. Adjust the blur effect to your desired preference and intensity. It's time to export your still image. And watch very carefully guys, in order not to mix up this particular step, because it's very crucial. From the top right menu of the editor display, click and select on the Export Still Frame option, and let's head over to the next step. Head over to Google and type in ttsfree.com and click on the website with the blue logo as you can see on screen. Okay, now the site is open, and now at this point you want to click on the TTS server 2, because for this method we're going to be using the free voices, and that's where the free voices are located. Now paste in the text you want to convert into the text area, and mind you can't paste over 500 words, it must be within or below 500 words. Scroll down and play around with the voices until you find the one that suits your desire. For me, I'll be going with Michelle, and that's because at least she sounds a bit human. Then you want to scroll up and click on Convert Now. You can see this process is very fast and it is already done converting. And you can easily click on the download MP3 button to download this to your desktop. And let's head over to the next step. Type in dub into Google, click on the first link, click on Start a 3-day free trial. Now click on AI Avatar and sign up with Google. It's pretty straightforward. At this point, you want to select the option that best describes you, or you can just follow my lead. Select freelancer, continue, content creator, continue, school project, and hit submit. Now click on AI avatar again. At this point, we're going to upload the still frame image we downloaded from CapCut. Now head over to the MP3 section and click on upload to upload your TTS free AI generated MP3 file. Click on generate. Now it's generating. As you can see, it's processing. Okay, the file is ready. And if you want to download this file into your system, click on the three bottom right menu, select download video. And now, just because we can, let's take a preview at what we have created.
You how to create a talking avatar like me, whether you are a content creator, influencer, business enthusiast, or just an average Joe looking to spice your online presence without showing your face. A talking avatar.
At this point, make sure to leave your thoughts in the comments below, and if you have any particular questions concerning anything I've walked you guys through today, make sure to also include that in the comment section below, and I'll make sure to reply every single one of you guys. If you enjoyed the video, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video.